Good morning, students. So we have completed the chapter number 16, digestion and absorption. So today's class, some of the objectives we discussed based on the remaining topics of digestion and absorption. Students, right? Objective questions, MCQs. So first one. First question. Right, now, student, digestion of nucleic acids. Digestion of nucleic acids is started by digestive juice. By digestive juice. A. And finished by digestive juice. B. Identify A and B respectively. First one. Gastric juice, pancreatic juice. Second option. Pancreatic juice, bile juice. Third option. Intestinal juice,
Excuse me, sir.
juice. Yes.
Sir, I'm having some questions from previous year, from this chapter.
Yes, you can.
Can I ask, sir? So,
Yes.
there's one question which was asked in 2018. Which of the following gastric cells indirectly help in erythropoiesis? The
Erythropoiesis.
options were, yes, sir. Options were chief cell, mucus cell, goblet cells, and parietal cells.
Repeat the question again, Tanisha.
Sir, Priyanka, sir. It's me, Priyanka.
Priyanka, tell me the question again. Repeat.
Which of the following gastric cells indirectly helps in erythropoiesis?
Helps in erythropoiesis.
Yes, sir. The
Okay.
options were chief cell, mucus cell, goblet cell, parietal cells.
Chief cell. Second one, mucus.
Mucus cells,
Third
goblet
one,
cell, and parietal cells.
goblet cells and parietal cells. Erythropoiesis means production of RBC. Production of RBC will helpful by parietal cells or oxyntic cells.
Sir, I don't know about it because I wanted you to explain some more about erythropoiesis. It was asked in recent years. That's why, sir.
Okay. Actually, here what happens? Erythropoiesis takes place. Not all erythropoiesis, either leukopoiesis or thrombopoiesis. All blood cell production which takes place from the bone marrow of bones. For bone marrow,
Yes, sir.
for the production of blood cells, different types of the parameters are involved. For example, liver involved, and there is some of the enzymes are involved. Here, what happens? Parietal cells we discussed. Parietal cell secretions what? Two secretions are there. HCl1, second one.
HCl and Castle intrinsic factor.
Uh, Castle intrinsic factor function is what? Absorption of vitamin
Digestion.
B12. Absorption of vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 helps for production of RBC. For production of RBC, vitamin B12 is required. So that only answer is parietal cells. Clear,
Okay,
Priyanka?
sir. Yes, sir. So one more question, sir.
Yes, yes. Where, when given it is 2018.
2018, sir.
Okay, fine. Next one.
Which cells of Libercan
Hmm.
secrete antibacterial lysozyme? Penis cell, zymogen cell, Kupffer cell, and Argand-Delphin cell.
First one, penis cells given.
Yes, sir, penis cells.
Penis cells correct.
So
Penis cells.
what's that, sir?
Crypts of Lebergon, Zymogen also there, and penis cells also there. These are all out of NCERT actually. When our
Oh,
colleges, after commencement of colleges, we will discuss again the structure of cells which are presented in crypts of Lebergon. Penis cells
yes.
also there, and Zymogen cells also there. That is immune related. Some of the factors are secreted. Yes, that is the
Okay.
structure of penis cells. Yes. Next,
That's
in
all, sir.
need,
Thank
in
you,
need
sir.
they asked.
Sir, in need itself, sir. 2017.
17. Okay, fine. These are all applicative based. What happens in NCRT? Detailed information not provided. Maximum questions
Yes,
will
sir.
come
That's
from
why I was
lines
confused.
only. Some of the questions which is related to NCRT, one or two questions are there, but you can concentrate more on direct questions from NCRT. Say out of means so much is there. That much time, sufficient time we don't have.
Yes.
Uh, this year, okay, it's possible because of all NCRT lines we are revising. After commencement of colleges, some of the whatever important points are there that I will revise. No need to worry. Okay, Priyanka.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Still more questions are there.
No, sir. Only these many, sir.
Are you practicing old papers, previous papers?
Yes, sir. Old year papers and
Good,
other
good, good.
practice questions.
Good, very good. Right. Okay, student. The question is here: the digestion of nucleic acids is started by digestive juice A and finished by digestive juice B. Identify A and B respectively. What is answer? Good, Tanisha, Murli Swami. Good. Very
Option
good.
4.
How it is option 4? Can you tell the enzyme names? Anyone?
Nucleases and nucleotidases and nucleosidases.
From the pancreatic juice, there is nucleases, and intestinal juice, nucleotidase and
Option
nucleosides.
4, sir.
Option 4 correct. Here, nucleases, deoxyribonuclease, oxyribonuclease. So both DNA and RNA first by the nucleases secreted from pancreatic juice. Next one, finally, those are end products are formed by the intestinal juice enzymes. That is nucleotidase, nucleosides. Clear, students? Right? Okay. Yes, students, what is answer? Any all of you, any doubts still? Yes, students, clear all of you this question? Okay. Next one. Next question. The initial step in digestion of milk, which is the curdling involving precipitation, involving precipitation of casein, protein of milk. First option, chymotrypsin. Second option, trypsin. Third option, renin. Fourth option, R. Yes, students. The initial step in digestion of milk, which is the curdling involving precipitation. Chymotrypsin, trypsin, renin, and all of this. What is the answer, students?
Sir, renin.
Very good. Right. Option number
3.
third, renin. So renin is involved for curdling of milk. In whom, students? In
Sir, in infants. Infant.
In
Okay.
infants,
Right.
in adults, it's chymotrypsin.
Yes, Tanisha? Okay.
Sir, it's not me, sir, Priyanka.
Priyanka, yes, tell me, Priyanka.
Sir, in adults, it's chymotrypsin, right, sir? For curdling of milk.
For curdling of milk in infants, which enzyme is helpful? That is renin. We already discussed it. Adults, you are asking.
Adults, sir.
Okay. I am not receiving properly. Okay. But in adults, there is pepsin, not chymotrypsin. Pepsin only. Protein enzyme is pepsin. In stomach, in the region of gastric region. Clear, students? Yes.
Here, sir.
Okay. Next question. The amount of bile released is proportional to the amount of, first one, protein in meal. Second one, amino acids in meal. Third one, carbohydrate in meal. Fourth one, fat in meal.
Option for fat in meal.
Very good, Abhay.
Option 4.
Option 4. What is the question, students?
The
The amount of bile released is proportional to the amount of bile acts on what type of food material, students?
fats.
Fats.
Fats. Lipids.
Fat.
The amount of fat in the meal. So, students, option number 4.
4.
Right. Next one. Next question. Next question. Bile juice helps in, first one, emulsification of fats. Second one, providing alkalinity in the small intestine. Third one, activates lipase. Fourth one, formation of micelles. Fifth one, chylomicron formation. These are the statements. Options are first option, all except 2. Second option, all except 5. Third option, all except 4 and 5. Fourth option, all except 4. Go to the question, students, read the statements properly and do tell me the answer.
I think option 2, sir.
Option 2.
All except
Option 2 only. Sir.
Remaining student
all
answer.
except 5.
Very good. Not you think, Abhay, it is 100% correct.
Thank you, sir.
Very good. Good, Tanisha. Good, Shruti, Vinay BK, Murlishwami, good. Chinmay Punit, right. Bile juice helps in, yes, obviously, bile juice helps in emulsification of fats. For fats emulsification, bile juice is essential. Next one. Providing alkalinity in the small intestine. In the small intestine, how much pH is there, students? What is the value of pH?
7.8.
7.8. Maintained by the presence of bile juice also.
Bile juice.
One of the reasons. Next one, activate lipase. Lipase enzyme activates by the bile juice. That point also discussed. Formation of micelles. What is meant by micelles, students? What are micelles? What are micelles?
Monoglycerides, fatty acids, and glycerol.
Acids and glycerol.
These are all after emulsification. These are all formed. Where micelles are formed, students?
Inside the lumen.
In the lumen cavity. Next, chylomicron formation given. What are chylomicrons?
The micelle is coated with
Coated
lipoprotein.
with lipoprotein.
Where chylomicrons are formed?
Inside
Epithelium.
the inside
In
the
lacteal.
In
Villi.
lacteal. Lacteal.
Not in lacteal. Where
Villi.
chylomicrons are formed?
Yudna.
epithelium of villi.
Epithelium of duodenum.
So for chylomicrons, bile is not required. And remaining all correct. All correct except fifth one. Yes, students, clear answer?
Clear, sir.
What is helpful for chylomicron formation?
What is?
Helpful for chylomicron formation?
Micelles only get protein coat, lipoprotein coat. And micelles gets lipoprotein coat, then it is called chylomicrons. Enzyme should not help and any digestive juices should not help.
The lipoprotein is secreted by micelles only.
No, liver.
So then it is indirectly helping us.
Bile juice is not involved. Are you understanding or not?
There is no enzyme or juice.
We discussed bile juice has bile salts and bile pigments. Cholesterol is presented. What
Bilirubin.
are the cholesterol? Cholesterol for the formation of chylomicrons only.
Ah,
Understanding?
yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
lipoproteins for the liver, not directly involved. Bile juice is not directly involved. Okay, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So in the explanation, write down chylomicrons formation takes place in the region of epithelial
Epithelium of
cell,
duodenum.
epithelium of villi,
Villi.
of villi. Hmm. Next question, write down. Question number 4, huh? 5.
Question
Five.
number 5, sir.
Okay. The pH
So
of the
what's
stomach.
with the beta cells, the way they are present?
Yes, brother. Whenever you are asking, your voice is not receiving properly. Yes, brother, tell me.
And now it's audible.
Yes, yes, now it's audible.
So what is the meaning of BETA, beta cells? Something like beta cells.
What's the meaning of?
So
Beta
BETA,
cells.
beta cells.
Beta cells.
We are speaking about beta cells, sir, which are present in pancreas.
Pancreas. Alpha cells and beta cells present in pancreas secretes hormones.
Yes.
We discussed
Islets of Langerhans. So related to islets of
Endocrine,
Langerhans.
sir.
I'm not
Related
receiving
to
properly.
islets of Langerhans.
Islets of Langerhans, correct. That secretes hormones, beta cells. Okay, Brahmara? You take. Okay. The pH of the stomach is 1.6. Then, which enzyme will digest protein? First one, trypsin. Second one, amylase. Third one, pepsin. Fourth one, all.
Sir, pepsin.
Opposite pepsin.
Very good, right. The pH of the stomach is 1.6.
Acid.
Enzyme digests protein. Yes, students, which enzyme secretes in the stomach proteolytic enzymes?
Pepsin.
Pepsin. Pepsin secreted from?
Peptic cells are chief cells.
Chief
Cells
Peptic cells are parietal
Okay.
cells.
So correct answer, pepsin. The student is finished?
Finish, sir.
Okay, next one. Question number 6. Which of the following have a minimum pH? First one, pancreatic juice. Second one, bile. Third one, gastric juice. Fourth one, saliva.
Gastric juice.
Very good.
Option
Option
3, gastric juice.
Gastric juice. What is the pH of pancreatic juice, students? Acid or base?
Basic,
Base.
sir.
7.8.
7.8.
Bile
Basic.
7.8.
7.8 only.
also, yes, base only. Next one, saliva.
6.8.
Saliva,
Slightly acidic.
And gastric juice? Highly acidic.
Highly acidic.
1.8.
1.8. Highly acidic. Okay, students? Yes. Next one.
Yes.
Next question. Question number 7. Saliva converts, first one, proteins to amino acids. Second one, glycogen to glucose. Third one, starch to monosaccharides. Fourth one,
Option 3.
carbohydrates to
Third option.
Sir, fourth option, sir.
Option
Option 4. Option
Fourth
4.
option, sir. Carbohydrates to disaccharides.
third and fourth students.
Fourth, sir.
Very good. Carbohydrates to disaccharides. Carbohydrates to polysaccharides and converted into disaccharides. So that only patience is required. Go through all the options, read it carefully. Otherwise, unnecessarily you will do the mistakes. And there is more loss. Students, conversion of polysaccharides into disaccharides. Starch to maltose. Finished?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next question. Next question. Which of the following monomers are produced when lipids are broken down by lipase? A. Nucleotides. B. Amino acids. C. Glycerol. And D. Fatty acids. First option A and C only. Second option C and D only.
Second option, sir.
Third
Second
option,
option.
Second option, sir.
Second option C and D.
fourth option D.
Yes, sir.
Second
Second
option.
option, sir. C and D only.
C and D only.
Check the question again, students. Read the
Sure,
question
sir.
properly.
Sure, sir. C and D only, sir.
Sure only.
C and D itself, sir. Sure,
Yes,
sir.
that is correct only. Right? Which are the following monomers are produced when lipids are broken down into lipase? Broken down by lipase. Nucleotides, amino acids given. Nucleotides and amino acids related to what, students? Proteins or fats?
Nucleic acids and proteins.
Nucleic acid, nucleotides, those are nucleic acids, and amino acids, proteins.
Protein.
Minerals and fatty acids related to the fats.
Lipid.
Lipids. Yes, students. Option number 2. Students completed this question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
I think Abhay, you are not writing questions,
Writing.
not writing in the book.
Writing, sir.
Correct, man?
Writing,
Sir, we
sir.
are writing, sir.
Good, good, good. Individual monitoring only required here. Individual discipline is required. That is important. Right, next question, students. Which of the following statements are correct? Which of the following statements are correct? First one. Fatty acid and glycerol are absorbed by lacteals. Second one. Absorption of simple sugar, alcohol, water takes place in stomach. Third statement, large intestine is the major site of digestion. Fourth one, intestinal juice contain nucleases and amylases enzymes. Which of the following statements are correct? You need to identify which are correct statements. Go through the statement, students.
Sir, option 2. Second option, sir.
Sir, second option.
Section, sir.
Second option, second statement correct, huh? Remaining all are wrong.
Sir, I think first and second, sir.
Only two or first and two or all are correct.
Sir, 3 and 4 are
First
wrong.
and second. First and second are correct.
First and second are correct, sir. 3 and 4 are wrong, sir.
Very good. Fatty acid and glycerol absorbed by the lacteals
Lacteals,
only.
correct, sir.
Lymph vessel, not directly into blood, right? That is correct statement. Absorption of simple sugar, alcohol, and water takes place in the region of stomach.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Correct.
already we discussed. Large intestine is the major site of digestion and
Small
absorption.
intestine.
That is
Small
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 intestine.
intestine.
And intestinal juice contains nucleases. Nucleases present in intestinal or pancreatic juice.
Pancreatic juice, sir.
Pancreatic.
Amylase
Sir.
is present, but nucleases are not present.
Amylase is there in intestine.
No,
No, sir. No, sir.
No,
No, sir. No, sir.
Amylase is there. Amylase is not there.
Pancreatic juice, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Pancreatic.
yes. So third and fourth statement both are also wrong. And first two statements correct. Correct statements are first and second. Yes, students, clear? Finished?
1 minute,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Writing.
Okay. Right, next one. Next question. Question number
10, sir.
10, sir.
10. Which of the following occur in acidic medium? First one, starch gives rise to maltose. Savory amylase. Second one, casein gives rise to renin, calcium, para, casein. Third one, trypsinogen gives rise to trypsin. So enterokinase. Fourth one, proteins, proteoses, peptones gives rise to trypsin tripeptide.
Sir, 1 and 2, sir.
Wrong.
Sir,
Check it once.
except all three. So 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4, sir.
1, 2, 4.
So 1 and 2. Types are not tripeptide, no, sir.
1 to 4, how it is possible? First, the site of enzymatic action you need to identify.
Sir, you have written tripeptide note, sir. Tripeptide should become that.
I not read whatever given in the question say. Tripeptide only given there.
Okay, sir.
Sir, casein, it becomes only paracasein, no, sir?
Once check it, Abhay. Who will tell correct answer? Read the question properly. Site of
Sir,
digestion at where? Next page.
Sir, option 1 only.
Why?
So because 6.8, it is acidic only, no, sir.
Okay, it is acidic.
And 1.
What about second reaction? Where it is takes place?
Sir, in stomach only, but it is converted into paracasein.
Paracasein. Okay, that is also one variation. Very good. So it is wrong. What about third one? This is
Sir, this occurs in pancreas. It is 100%.
7.8. What about this?
7.8, 7.8, this one also, sir.
7.8, 7.8. This is 7.8. This is 7.8.
Yes, sir.
What about second one?
So casein is converted into paracasein.
Paracretin, and paracretin add with calcium of the milk, then calcium
Calcium.
One
Yes,
more
sir.
mistake is there in the second reaction. One
Sir,
more
Renin
mistake.
spelling.
Running
Renin
double
spelling.
N will come, sir. Double N.
Renin spelling.
Very good. Renin. Here RENNIN digestive system. RENIN
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. Good. So what is answer, students? Only
First option, sir.
first option.
So confusing.
So that only just be patient. Read the questions properly before answering. Otherwise, unnecessarily you lose the marks. That is only problem. Okay. Right. Next one. So match the following enzyme, substrate, and the product form. First one, nucleosidases. Second one, renin. Third one, invertase. Fourth one, carboxy peptides. RNA, calcium, para-casein, sucrose, peptones. Next one, peptones, glucose and nucleosides, peptones, glucose and fructose, tricama dipeptides. So question, what is question here? Choose the correct choice. Correct combination you need to choose. Compare with these three columns. How many correct are there? How many incorrect? Yes,
Sir,
students?
what is invertase, sir?
I invertase sucrase. Sucrase enzyme, another name invertase.
Sir, what does substrate mean? What it digests, sir? What it digests, sir?
These enzymes on what surface, what substrate it works, and what material.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Sir, option 3.
Option 3, sir.
Option 3, sir.
Sir, option 3.
Option 3, sir.
And
Option 3 and option 1, sir.
check it out again.
Sir, 3 and 4.
Very good, Punita, Vishnu Rajan.
3 and 4. 3 and
Sir.
Very good. Option third, option 4 correct. Sucrose enzyme acts on sucrase enzyme acts on sucrose and converts into glucose plus fructose.
Yes.
Okay, that is correct. Carboxypeptides, the carboxypeptide enzyme on the peptones, the students, carboxypeptidase enzyme acts on peptones, converts into tri and dipeptides. That is also correct. Why first, second options are wrong? The combinations are wrong. Nucleosidase is given. RNA.
No, sir. Nucleosides. Nucleosides.
Nucleotides.
Nucleases.
Nucleases. Yes, sir. Nucleases.
On the RNA. So that wrong it is. Next, venin. Venin calcium paracetate given. Venin act on water.
Casein.
Milk, sir.
Casein.
Casein.
Then calcium paracetate. So these two are wrong combinations. These two are correct. Yes, students, clear all of you? Clear?
Sir, clear, sir.
Right.
Yes.
Next question number 11. 12.
Yes, sir.
Well, sir.
Okay. Identify the correct set. Identify the correct set which shows the name of the enzyme. The name of the enzyme from where it is secreted.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, in the previous question, sir, fourth option, tri and dipeptidase are given, no, sir. Only dipeptidases, no, tripeptidase will not come, no, sir.
As per NCERT, dipeptidase only. Between one enzymatic reaction is there. Tri also, first tri, next
Afterwards, die. Yes, sir.
From dipeptides to amino acids.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Right. Okay. It is secreted and substrate upon which it acts. It acts. First one, time, intestine, maltose. Second one, time, pancreas, lipid. Third one, pepsin, stomach wall, peptones. Fourth one, chymotrypsin, salivary gland, Lactose.
Sir, option 3.
Very good, Avan.
Sir, option 3.
And one more. Two combinations are correct.
Sir, option 2 can't know, sir. The pancreas liquid they are given, sir.
Option 2 can't. Okay, very good. Next step.
Sir, option
Sir,
1 or
option 4.
Intestine
Sir,
mitosis.
option 3 I can know, sir.
Option 1 wrong.
Sir, 3 only, sir.
only 3, sir.
Only 3.
Remaining all combinations. Okay, you don't answer but not confident.
Sir, no, sir. I was telling, but just cross-checking again, sir.
Right. Okay, good. So pepsin, stomach wall, peptones, converts the peptones. Proteins into peptones. The students finished. Except 3, remaining all are wrong combination.
Yes, sir.
Next question, students. And the next question. Question number, students.
30.
Which cells of crypts of Libercum secretes antibacterial lysozyme? First one, Kupffer cells. Second one, zymosin cells. Third one, parietal cells. Fourth one, Schering cells.
Peanut cells, sir.
Option 4, sir.
Very good. Now only we discuss.
Sir, sir.
Yes, sir. She had asked.
The secretes the enzyme of lysozyme, antibacterial enzyme. And along with the in the intestine, where the lysozyme is present, students, in which
Saliva.
body? Saliva. Along with that,
Tears.
Tears, sir.
as a lysozyme enzyme. What purpose?
Antibacterial.
Antibacterial. Okay, students, until it's clear.
Clear, sir.
More
Yes, sir.
objectives we'll discuss in further classes also. Once go throughout the chapter of digestive system. In next class, some of the one more questions we will discuss related to the subjective part. Okay, students.
Thank you, sir.
It is
Sir.
clear.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.